Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 29th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the pound yen, I still am looking at this, just like I said last week, as more than likely being an ABC correction. I think the way B ends right here, we had like a higher high wave B, like an ABC, running ABC, and potentially now we're in the wave C. To me, it kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3, and perhaps we're in a wave 4 that needs to make a wave 5. If it does go up and respect this 61% Fibonacci retracement, then turn down, then give us a break of structure, that right there is the picture that would turn me into a seller. Right now, I would still be looking for buys. I would actually probably try to go long one more time if I was trading the sort of time frames. But if I see this double top, if I see this push down, if I see that five wave shape with a nice break of structure to the downside, you better believe I'm going to stop looking for longs and I'm going to start looking for shorts on pullbacks because we have to remember that the higher time frame trend is definitely still down. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.